Hi everyone, today I've got a little of a different video for you. I want to do some experimenting with a new medium. I got these oil pastels from Reeves and I am going to try them out, see what I can do with them. I've never ever used these before, so yeah, I hope I can create something nice with them. Let's see. So in all my pastel videos so far I've only used soft pastels. I get a lot of questions about oil pastels as well. So with soft pastels I do these kind of night sky drawings a lot, and soft pastels can be easily blended with your fingers, and I don't think oil pastels can. So yeah, I'm pretty excited to try this out and see what I can do with these. So I'm going to unpack them because I haven't used them yet. I also have no idea if this brand is any good. I think this is an entry-level oil pastel brand. They weren't really expensive either. So this is a pack of 48. And I got them in my local art store. So first of all, I want to see how they work. So I got some pieces of paper here. I'm going to use my soft pastel paper. This is Canson Mutants. This is the paper I was working on before I switched to pastel matte. So I'm not sure if these are any good for the oil pastels, but I'm going to try it out, see how it works. So let's start with a blue. Let's see how they blend. So this Canson paper, it has two sides. The front side is a bit rough and then the back side is smoother. So I will probably use the back side. That's a bit easier. Let's do some swatches here. They feel really waxy, but I must say that the colors are quite pretty. Okay, so I noticed that on the smooth side of the paper I can't really add layers. It kind of comes off. So let's try the other side. Okay. I have no idea if I can do any good with this. So you can add light on top of dark, but the white won't get completely white again. Okay, so I'm really not sure what I can do with this. So far, oh, it stained my table. That's nice. Okay, so I will use the front side of the paper, which is the rough bars. I'm going to clean up my table, I think, and then I am going to start with a real project. So I will start with something easy, probably a night sky spring type of drawing with birds. Someone in the comments suggested that, so maybe that's fun to try. Okay, so now I tape down a new piece of paper, the Canson paper again, with the rough side up, and I'm going to try to draw a night sky. So wish me luck. Okay, so let's try to not make a total fool of myself. And let's see. Okay, let's start on top. then work my way towards the bottom like I always do with my soft pastel pieces as well. You can see that the paper really eats away the pastel. You can see all these little chunks coming off. So I'm not sure if that is the brand or if that is the case with all kinds of oil pastel brands. Let me know in the comments if you've tried oil pastels before and what you think of them. I'm really interested in hearing what your experiences with them are, because so far I'm not liking them at all. This feels really scratchy as well, so I can't really get an even layer of pastels down. It's really scratchy and blotchy, not nice. I'm not sure why people confuse my soft pastel drawings for oil pastel drawings. That happens a lot, but I'm not sure why, because this really feels totally different. These chunks are really annoying. Maybe I'm doing something totally wrong. So let's get another color now, this one. Let's see if I can create a bit of an ombre effect in the sky. So it might be possible that this paper is just not suitable for pastels like this, but I don't know. Okay, so here I'm trying to put down an even layer, but it's just not working. My arm already starting to feel lame. I have to press really hard. Okay. So let's add in some pink now. So you can kind of blend two colors together, but if you press too hard, it will come off. My hands are starting to hurt. So that's so fun about soft pastels, that you can put down a base layer and just blend it out. And that's way quicker than this. Okay, so now my pink pastel is covered in blue. It's kind of hard to get it off. Okay. Wow, so pretty. So do you know if this is normal? Like all the pastel coming off? Maybe I just got a bad brand. Going to take a very dark blue, try to see if I can darken up the sky a little bit more at the top. I don't think that's working. It's really hard to get a smooth gradation between different colors. So you can see the pink here. There's a very prominent line between the purple here and the pink. It's really hard to get that to blend in. You can see here that the pastel is just coming off the paper if I add more layers. So I'll probably leave it like that. Let's add some yellow. So I decided to speed up the video as it would have been way too long otherwise, but keep on watching to hear my final verdict. Okay, so I think I will leave it like this. I'm not sure what I did wrong, but it looks like this was drawn by a 3-year-old kid. And I don't like these. So let me know if you think that I did something wrong, because I'm not sure. They just don't layer. I can't add any color on top of another color without like the previous layer coming off. Okay, so this was a huge fail. Maybe I could get a different kind of paper that is meant for oil pastels. Maybe that's the problem, I don't know. but I won't be using these anytime soon again because I really hate them. I hate them. Ugh. It's so frustrating. I wanted to create something nice. But yeah, this is all I could do with them for now. Let me know what you think of this masterpiece. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you can see now what the difference is between oil and soft pastels. I think there's a pretty big difference. I think I'll always prefer soft pastels because these are just so waxy and messy as well. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you want to see more. So if you like these kind of videos of me trying out different things, let me know. And yeah, thank you for watching and I'll see you very soon. Bye bye!